Hi, Steven here. Welcome to my channel. This is actually my first time that I'm going to attempt to do a tutorial about the Roland Fantom. The Fantom is an amazing machine, a workstation which I ever owned. And I think the owners, all the Roland Fantom owners, can be proud of all the new updates and the sound design capabilities of this keyboard. This is the keyboard, the rear end of the keyboard. See also the pads there. Back in the day I started with the JV 80 series, then I moved to the Jupiter 80, the Jupiter series, which was the Jupiter 80, which I love so much. But with the Roland Fantom, I can dive deeper into sound design. With this tutorial, I'm going to do a tutorial on audio configuration. You can do a MIDI configuration also, but I'm first going to show you with my songs. I had a problem with my sound card, so I used the Roland Fantom 7 as my interface and sound card. And to do this, I used my DAW, which was Abelton, and configured a stereo setup, internal audio stereo setup, which I will show you an overview of how I made a setup. The Fantom is a audio USB interface for an audio workstation or your DAW. I record the Fantom over USB. But first, before you do this, step 1. You have to go to the Roland website and download the drivers on your PC or your Mac. You can go to the Roland website, go to products, go to synthesizers, go to performance workstation and choose Fantom 6, 7 or 8, or you can use any one and just download the drivers on your PC or your Mac. And that is very important to start. In this case, I used my Ableton. I open up Ableton, connect the USB cable to the Fantom and to the PC. After that, I will open up and go to File and go to Preferences and do my setup with the audio setup. And make sure that the Fantom is the audio input device and the output device are activated, 32 in and 6 out. So then I do the configuration with Ableton, connecting the zones. I will go to my keyboard and choose all my zones 1 to 8. You can actually go to 1 to 16 also, but in my case, with all my songs, I use zone 1 to 8 and zone 10 for my drums. Then I do the same configuration on Ableton, where I will go to all ins and activate each channel. And also I rename my instruments which I'm using in the different zones. And as I record and play a live audio recording, it will change. If I change a zone on my keyboard, it will go to that sound. Here's my stereo inputs. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3 will be with channel 5 and 6. That will be my drums. Zone 10 will be my drums. There you can see Zone 1. And Zone 3, channel 5 and 6. Zone 4, channel 7 and 8. And Zone 5, channel 9 and 10. Also, I activated all the recording. Zone 1 is the brass. Zone 2 is the JX8 piano. Zone 3 is the guitar. Zone 4 will be my Jupiter 80 lead. Plug will be Zone 5. The wah guitar, Zone 6. There's a master out stereo. All the zones are record enabled. So I enabled all the recordings on the zones. When I play the specific zone, if I play zone 1, the piano, it will go to piano. If I change to zone 2, that sound will be recorded into Ableton. We'll also get the model synth enzyme to dive deeper into sound design. I'm looking forward to show you how I'm going to record my music and making use of that model synthesizer enzyme. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell. It's free and you will receive all the latest video updates or the latest videos which I will upload as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it will be beneficial for you if you want to make use of this manual audio recording setup with your Fantom and using your Fantom as an interface.